Hey everyone! Today, we're walking you through the new updated Option Alpha platform, the powerful options trading education and automation tool. Whether you're brand new or just need a refresher, this quick guide has you covered. Option Alpha is designed to help traders learn, test, and automate option strategies. It offers free and paid courses, paper trading, and automation bots so you can trade smarter, not harder. We'll show you where to start, how to navigate the dashboard, and how to set up your first automation. First, sign up on the Option Alpha website. Once logged in, explore the Education tab for beginner-friendly courses. Check the Bots tab to see pre-built trading automations. Use paper trading mode to practice without risking real money. It's all about learning the strategies and testing them before going live. Our advice? Start with the free courses. Build confidence in paper trading, then move into live trades when you're ready. Option Alpha's strength is in its education-first approach. And for beginners, that's exactly what you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy trading guides. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.